In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Now, here I back again with the new lesson, which is globalization of food. Globalization of food. So, this is here unit 5 for the second grade, which titled with "Is there any ice cream?" Page 45. Page 45. So, my dear student, open your book at page 45, and I need you to highlight it, those words and write the meaning above. Highlighted those words and write the meaning above to understand what is the text or the reading passage talk about. What does it talk about, and what are the main concepts and the main ideas? So, highlighted those words, and this is here the time just to learn the repetition on repeat or the pronunciation of those words. So get to those words. Okay, repeat after me. International, 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 international. Chains, 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 chains. Testes, testes, tastes. Change, change, change. According, according, according. Tastes, 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 tastes. Culture, 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 culture. Shrimp, shrimp, shrimp. Beef, beef, beef. Famous, 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 famous. Brand, brands, brand, brands. Certain, 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 certain. Compete, 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 compete. Against, 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 against. Factory, factory, factory. Produce, produce, produce. Ethnic, ethnic, ethnic. Local, 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 local. Originally, 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 originally. Growing, 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 growing. Those are the words which you need to know about their meaning on the passage. So underline them or write the meaning above. Now this is here the time for listening the text. So listen carefully, my dear students.
Page 45. 8. Reading.
Globalization of foods. International fast food chains are becoming more and more popular everywhere. You can have burgers, sandwiches, pizza, ice cream, coffee, and soft drinks in restaurants in the Americas, Europe, and Asia. In general, pizza in New York tastes more or less like a pizza in Italy or Hong Kong. However, there are some changes in the food according to the tastes and culture of the different countries. For example, in Japan, you can get a shrimp burger at McDonald's, and in KSA, the McArabia sandwich with chicken or beef is very popular. Some famous brands had difficulty when they first entered certain countries. For example, in Peru, the most popular soft drink was and still is Inca Kola. Coca-Cola couldn't compete against Inca Kola, so they bought the factory. Now they produce Coca-Cola and Inca Kola. In China, people usually drink tea, but coffee is becoming more and more popular. There are over 300 Starbucks coffee shops in the country. In the past, most ethnic foods were just local. Nowadays, with globalization, ethnic foods are also becoming popular everywhere. Pizza is originally from Italy, but today there are about 69,000 pizzerias in the U.S., and the number is growing. Asian food is found in food courts everywhere, and one of the most popular Middle Eastern foods around the world is shawarma, which is sometimes called doner.
Okay. So this time we are going to get to the questions after reading. Question number 1. What are some foods you can have in restaurants all over the world? Globalization, okay? So burgers, sandwiches, pizza, ice cream, coffee, and soft drink, and some of the soft drink. Okay, question 2. Is pizza similar in Italy, in New York? It depends upon the maker and also available of ingredients. Okay, so number 3. What is the most popular soft drink in Europe? Inca Cola, Inca Cola. Okay, it is a trademark. Can beat the original one, which is Coca-Cola, so they call it Inca Cola. Okay, number 4. In Starbucks successfully in China? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Number 5. What is another name for shawarma? Doner. Okay, doner. Okay, this is the end of our lesson for today. I'm going to meet you in another one. Thank you for listening for me. Don't forget to write the meaning of those words above the vocabulary, and we will discuss this in our coming class. See you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.